Breaking news, breaking news. I think you need to know this right now. JAMB just released the analysis. I told you that before they finally give out the result, they will give us an analysis of how the candidates performed. And just a few minutes ago, on the official JAMB website, they published this analysis for you, and I'm bringing it to you as a candidate. If you want me to send this to you privately on WhatsApp, you can just watch this video to the end and you will get how you can get it. Right now, this is the official statistics of what JAMB, how people performed in their result. Those who scored below 100, which is not your portion, there are about 2,031 persons. Those who scored between 100 and 119, about 3,082. Those who scored between 120 and 139 is 57,419 candidates. Now, this is very, very, very important. It will help you to know how people perform this year and how your result will look like. But it will look well in Jesus' name. Your result will be among the top performers. I want you to claim it. Type "I claim it" in the comment section. Okay. They said those who scored from 120 to 139 is 57,419. Those who scored from 140 to 159 are, I hope you are here, are about 488,197. That's those who scored 140 to 159. Okay? Those who scored 160 to 199 is 160 to 119. That is the highest percentage score rate. 983,187. Those who scored between 160 to 199, okay, I've said that one. Those who scored between 200 and 249 is about 334,560. 334,560. I want you to pay attention. This news just broke right now. Like I've always told you, once the news break, our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, will be the first place you will hear it. Authentic information, not all the fake rumors flying around. Then, those who scored 250 to 299. 250 to 299 is 73,441. Those who scored 300 and above. 300 and above is about 12,414. Those who scored 300, between 300 to 319, 7,658. Those who scored 320 and between 320 to 400 will now be 4,756. What does this information tell us? What does this tell us? It is showing us that this year, actually, even although some people did well, that majority of JAMB candidates did not do well. As part of the result, 40,247 underage candidates were permitted to demonstrate their exceptional abilities. However, only 467 of these candidates, that is 1.16%, achieved scores that meet the threshold for exceptional ability as defined for the UTME, with their performance in the subsequent 3 stages still pending. Of the total number registered, 97 candidates were involved in examination infraction, while 2,157 others are currently undergoing investigation for suspected malpractice. Of course, these are those that their results will not be released. They may release it, but they will withhold it and then take some time to scrutinize it before releasing. Additionally, 71,701 candidates were absent. They did not take the exam. Those facing biometric challenges are also under investigation, and those who are cleared will be rescheduled for examination at designated centers. I hope you are here. Furthermore, few of the results, including those of blind candidates and others in the GEOG candidates group, are still being processed. So some results are being processed, some have also been checked, and anytime from now they will release it. Of course, once they release it, you will hear it first from our YouTube channel. A press conference to announce the individual result of candidates and to facilitate result checking will be held later this week. What does it tell you? It told you that the result is not out as I'm talking to you, but they will hold a press conference, which I will tell you about. Once they hold a press conference, everybody will be able to go ahead and check the JAMB result. Remember that your portion, even though many people really did not do well from this analysis, remember, this is not hearsay, I got it directly from JAMB. From this analysis, many people did not do well. I think last year's performance was poor, but this year's performance is not even encouraging at all. What it means is that you must strive to do well in your post UTME, in your screening. You must strive to do well, and I want to believe that every member of our YouTube channel, you are among this category that got 300 and above. Don't panic. I want you to claim it in the comment section that even if others fail, you will not fail. I want your faith to be strong. If you know you did your best, you committed your best, you put in maximum effort in this JAMB, I want you to believe that you will succeed. Nothing will stop you. You will be among those that will enter school. You will be among those that will enter school by merit. Even if others are drawn back because of this, you will not be one of them. That is if you did your best in this JAMB. Finally, if you want to check your JAMB result, or if you want to learn how to check your JAMB result even before the result is out, so that once I announce or once JAMB tells us that you can check, you just click. Remember, you don't need to give anybody money. You don't need to give anybody money to upgrade your JAMB result. You don't need to give anybody money to help you check, except if you want to print it out. So I've done a video on how you can check your JAMB result, the code to press, the link to use to check it on your own without paying anybody, without anything. I'm leaving that video on the screen. I want you to click on it right now. Remember, if you also want me to send to you the code, just type under the comment and say, please send it to me. Claim that you will not be among those that will cry in this JAMB. Also, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. You want to become a member, a full member of our YouTube channel, click on join and become a full member right now.